What would have been on the menu at Jesus' birthday? For the Christmas season, we're taking a trip back in time to explore what a festive meal might have looked like back then. Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD. First up, we've got fish. Both carp and St. Peter's fish were staples. They might have been poached, baked, or grilled with herbs. These fish are a great source of protein. They also contain moderate amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health and reduce inflammation. And to add even more flavor, they could have been stuffed with alliums such as garlic, onions, or leeks. These herbs brim with flavonols shown to have antimicrobial, neuroprotective, and cancer-inhibiting properties. Next, a refreshing salad with crisp arugula, cool cucumbers, and briny olives. Arugula is packed with vitamins A and K, supporting eye health and strong bones. Cucumbers are hydrating and great for digestion. And olives bring healthy fats that are a boon for the heart and skin. Wholemeal bread, typically made from barley or wheat, was a daily essential. It provides carbohydrates and fiber for digestion and long-lasting energy. Dipping it in olive oil and vinegar wasn't just about flavor, it softened the bread, which was often coarse and dry back in the day. Studies show that eating healthy fats and vinegar with carbs can help prevent blood sugar spikes as they slow the release of sugar into the bloodstream. To finish, there would have been cheese. Goat and sheep cheeses were popular, even for the common folk, creamy, tangy, and loaded with calcium and probiotics for gut health. The accompaniment, nuts like pistachios and almonds, were bountiful even then. Paired with sweet, chewy dates, figs, or juicy pomegranates, these would have been tasty treats packed with antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats. And to wash it all down? Wine, of course. Maybe even the miraculous kind to keep the celebration going. Rich in resveratrol, a polyphenol that comes from the skin of grapes, red wine lowers cholesterol and reduces the risk of blood clots. A divinely simple meal fit for a king. These ancient ingredients are still available today. Why not take inspiration from food steeped in tradition and rooted in health? I wish you and your family a season filled with joy and good health. See you next time.